Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we are loading our rotary drum screen to India. We are using right now an 40 feet high cube container for loading. As you can see that this drum screen with an 2.5 meters length. The diameter for this screen is 1 meters. The electric power for this machine is 4 kilowatt. And also a small vibration electric motor. And also this drum screen is a kind of multifunctional screener. It can be used for fertilizer, construction material, biomass material like wood chips, agriculture straw, and also can be used for steel industry. This screener with 3 tons capacity for biomass material. And as you can see that this screen we fit with 3 different size sieve. The first sieve is 10 millimeters. The second sieve is 15 millimeters. And the third sieve is 20 millimeters. So you can use this machine separate 3 different size of materials. Okay, everyone. If you have any interest in our drum screen, you can send your inquiry to Longze team. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.